Hi, and thanks for watching our tutorial and guide on the Nerf Strike dartboard. This is the 2003 edition, and we have these for sale in our eBay shop. And yeah, we thought we'll just quickly show you how this works. I've been sitting here trying to sort of watch some videos on YouTube to see how this actually works, and there wasn't really anything. So I thought I'd make this video because of that reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay this flat on the surface, because these dartballs, they can't be at an angle on the wall. They need to be sort of flat against the wall because of the nature of the way the dartboard works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it flat on the actual table for the moment, and I'm going to show you the workings of this. So first of all, we're going to switch it on. Now what it is, it's got 3 game modes. It's got missile defence, hit the number, and range simulator. Now, it always kicks into game number 1, and it gives you 5 beeps to say that the game's starting. So this game now mode's starting up. So now what I have to do is I have to basically choose which target I want to hit. Obviously number 1's going to be the lowest number, then it's giving you 2, and then you'll hear 3 beeps for number 3. So we're going to hit number 3 now. So depending on how good and accurate you are, you choose the target that you feel comfortable with. So now I could choose zone 1, because it was 1 beep. So now if I want to choose zone 2 for instance sake, I'll wait for 2 beeps. So 1, 2. So now I did zone 2 in this time. So I did zone 1. If I wanted to choose zone 1. And then it's like, I think it gives you about 4 darts that you can have on the game mode 1. So now we're going to choose game mode 2. Now game mode 2 works as a randomised number, so it picks the actual numbers it wants you to hit. So, and I think it's about 10 darts that you end up using. So it's giving you a count of 5 to say that the game mode's kicking in. And sorry, that was my fault. I didn't put it on game mode 2. So I'll wait for it to come on again. And I'll put it into game mode 2. So count to 5. This game mode now kicks in. So now it's saying to me choose zone 1. So I need to hit zone 1 with my dart. 3 beeps means it wants me to hit zone 3, so I'm going to hit zone 3. Oh. So zone 1, I'm going to hit zone 1. So now it wants me to hit zone 2, so it's 2 beeps. Now it wants me to hit zone 3, because it's 3 beeps. Zone 1. That's 2. And that's 2. Again 2. Oh, 3. That's 2 or 3. I lost count there. I think that was 1. 1 again. Oh. 1 again. And there we go, that's the game finished. So I think it's about 10 darts that you acquired that you can sort of fire at it. It might be maybe more, I'm not too sure. But yeah, that's how that game mode works basically. So the next game mode is number 3. So we just press the mode button, it gets this number 3. Give us a beat of 5. 5. And then it kicks in now with the game mode. Now this again is a random game mode, it gives you 3 darts. So this would be 3, so it wants you to hit 3. So now it wants you to hit 2, so we're going to go zone 2. So now it wants us to hit zone 1. And it's 3 darts that you get, and it's random scores. So that's basically all 3 game modes. That's how the Nerf Strike dartboard works, and I just hope it's helped someone out there. Again, if you want to purchase these, you can purchase this from our store. The link is down below, and yeah, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.